Why staying with one table tennis blade? Matters lessons from Shushin. Hi, how are you today? I'm Imrat Thich, a table tennis coach in France. In table tennis, equipment choice is essential, but the relationship you build with your blade is even more critical. Many players frequently switch blades, hoping to find the perfect one. However, the truth is, the longer you stay with a blade, the better it feels and performs. This wisdom comes directly from Xu Xin, one of the greatest players in table tennis history. Xu Xin compares playing with a blade for a long time to polishing jade. He says, the longer you play, the better it feels. Just as a craftsman refines jade over time, a player refines their connection to their blade through consistency and practice. Every blade has its unique characteristics: flex, weight, balance, and feel. It takes time to understand these nuances fully. Switching blades too often disrupts this learning process. Each blade requires adjustment to its sweet spot, vibration, and response during different strokes. By sticking with one blade, you allow your muscle memory to adapt, making your shots more precise and natural. This approach isn't just about technical adaptation, it also builds confidence. When you trust your blade, you can focus entirely on your tactics and execution without second-guessing your equipment. So, take a lesson from Xu Xin. Instead of constantly chasing the next best blade, invest time in mastering the one you have. Over time, your connection with it will deepen, much like polishing jade, turning something good into something exceptional.
It's like when people polish jade. Over time, it feels exceptionally smooth. I've used many blades in the past. I think I popularized the Rosewood V. The blue label over the years fits my playing style the best. Definitely. They even changed the small logo to gold. Stiga. They keep refining it for me.
Controlled start here. Xu Xin. Ooh, side spin as well to the wide corner.
因为这个球拍，它就算一上来挑的这个重量轻，因为我们这个打的时间长，然后越打其实越重，因为有的时候手上也会出汗，然后等于是把手上的汗，然后和这个木头融合在一起。
The feel of a new blade versus mine. There's a big difference. How should I put it? It's like polishing jade. Over time, it feels exceptionally smooth. Well-worn blades always feel heavier. New blades feel rough to the touch, while mine are smooth and polished, really silky. When choosing weight, I don't fuss much. By the end, the blade always gets heavier.
轻重对我来说，选择上没有说这么计较，因为打到最后肯定会越打越重。我其实，在签之前，我很小的时候一直打的 CR。 因为很多球拍我其实已经没有记着这么多的型号了，但是这些球迷他们记得特别清楚。然后有的时候找我签名会把我以前打过的板都拿过来，玫瑰、极强，然后现在的蓝标，在蓝标之前，跟蓝标应该是一个系列，还有一个叫什么型号我都已经说不清了，但是他们特别清楚。 纳米 OC 我打过啊，对，纳米 OC 应该和那个玫瑰是前后脚打的。其实我感觉我算是把这个玫瑰5给带火了，因为那个时候其实斯迪卡的工作人员我就跟我交流，就是很多时候那个板已经脱销了。 大家觉得这个都是特别好上手，然后弹性特别大。那个时候其实没有像现在蓝标，这样一个专属的球板，但那个时候，确实也是影响了很多这个乒乓球爱好者，很多人去打，然后其实，在国家队也很多人去尝试了。极强应该就是蓝标之前打的。 蓝标应该是这些年，通过这些年，我和斯迪卡这个 和领导上层的一些交流，应该来说最贴近我的打法风格。也是能够我一块拍其实打的时间很长，有一些朋友啊会说你打你不要的板，那个能不能下放给他们？我说不好意思，我这个板我觉得是真的挺好打，然后我一直没换。
Xu Xin buries it into the palm of his opponent.
但是我还是想下决心打一打金标，因为我听说了金标还是在材质上做了一些改变，所以我还是想去再试一下。它不光是这个那小牌子换成金色了。
The materials are indeed different. They changed the wood. Some fans brought their gold label blades to me for autographs.
说我之前
But after you signed it, I stopped using it,
然后问他我说金标
and their feedback was that it's great. Stiga has always been helping me improve
帮我完善
and continuously making changes to achieve the most perfect result,
完美的
allowing me to produce higher quality shots.
质量的球。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.